Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rooney and today I'm going to be talking about the 5 customization apps that I use to create home screens like this for iOS 17.
1 a.m. eyes closed, I'm slowly falling.
The first app I will talk about is Ycon, and it's kind of like a very fundamental app that I use to create app icons, and it's completely free to download on the App Store, but I will give a forewarning, it is made by a Chinese company, so I'm pretty sure they're stealing our data. Ycon is an app that I use to create icons, app icons. So the first thing you want to do is basically go to your home screen and just add like regular app icons on there, and then take a screenshot of that home screen, go to the Ycon app, upload it there, and then from there you can literally customize each app icon. You can change the background color, you can add gradient if you want, you can change the icon color, you can my favorite part is offsetting like the size of the icon. So I always make it the smallest, which I think is like 40% of its size, and you can have like little borders, you can do all types of stuff. And so I highly recommend this app because you don't have to go searching for hours on Pinterest or pay online for some weirdos like app icon package that they made, and then you only use it once, and then a couple months later you want to change it already and you just wasted all that money. This is completely free alternative, and you can literally make all the apps that you ever wanted, all of their icons here. Okay, app number 2 is called Yidget, and again, free on the App Store, but there are paid memberships, but you don't have to pay for them. But my favorite thing about this is it's an app that you can create blank widgets. So this is how you create stuff like this. This is my actual home screen, and you can see at the top there's no apps. It's just completely blank, and it's just the background, but it's actually a widget. It's a medium-sized widget. So how you use this is first you want to just screenshot a blank screenshot of your home screen, but with no apps on it. It has to be just blank. That's what I mean by blank, like just blank. And then you go to the Yidget app and I think in settings you have to change like its background, and you can also have like a dark mode version too, but I find that for like, I don't know why, but for the images that I choose as my background for my home screens, they don't really have like a dark mode feature. Like they don't, when I turn on dark mode, it doesn't do anything. So it probably won't do anything for you guys either, but in case you have. And then you just go ahead and add the widget to your home screen. And it's pretty much that simple. And you can also change its position, if it's like the middle, if it's like the top, bottom, whatever. There's like the square widgets, there's the medium-sized widgets, and then there's the really large widgets. So it's perfect for everyone and it's completely free. So highly recommend. Next is the Shortcuts app. And you're probably like, Rooney, oh my gosh, you clickbaited me. I can't believe you did this. Guys, wait a minute, okay? So technically it is an app. It's the Shortcuts app, which I know everybody is familiar with because that's what they use to create the app icons in the first place. But the thing that I change about it is that you can have app icons or shortcuts that have no name, and you add them to your home screen and they have no name. Isn't that cool? That's how I create effects like these. You know, like that name at the bottom for, let's say it's Snapchat, it would say Snapchat under that app icon, but it doesn't. This is how. You want to go to Safari or Google or whatever browser you use, type in blank character, copy and paste. If that doesn't show up, I'll link it in the description below. And then you just select the text or the blank character, copy it. When you're creating your shortcut, you go back there and you just paste it in and then add it to your home screen. And it's that simple. And it looks like this, and it's so smooth. The reason I do it is because I am so familiar with what the app icons are at this point that I don't need a name to know what the app is. It looks so aesthetic, right? Not having those little texts. Oh my gosh, so aesthetic. And I've never seen in any other iOS customization video, I've never seen anyone do that. So y'all heard it from me first. I may be making that up then. No, I'm claiming it. This is my thing, okay? But I'm sharing it with all of you so then you guys can share it with your friends. The next app is called Widgy. And this app is basically, again, from a Chinese company. Again, it's free on the App Store, but I will warn you that there are like membership options. It's kind of like one of those apps like Widgetsmith where it gives you only a limited amount, maybe like 3 widgets. Once you try and make a 4th widget, it basically tells you to pay to unlock widget slots, which is so annoying. But yeah, but you don't have to pay for those widget slots because I think you get like 3 free, and that's all I ever use. So my favorite part is that you can literally make widgets from scratch, but I don't actually do that. I just import from, like, you can go to the browse feature and just import a ton. So my favorite ones are like this Pikachu animated Pikachu GIF, which you can add to your home screen, or not your home screen, your lock screen, like this, or in my actual home screen, you can see like that middle part. It's like the background, it's like transparent, but it's also got like the time, the date, um, if my Wi-Fi is on, if my cellular data is on, if my Bluetooth is on, my battery percentage, my brightness percentage, my all of that stuff. I live for that widget. So the last app I will mention is Brass. So Brass is very similar to Widgetsmith, which I've also used. Again, Brass is free. There are paid options, but you don't need them. Widgetsmith, I have beef with, okay? Because of those locks or limited widget slots. That's so messed up. Come on, Widgetsmith. Like, why would you do that? Why? So I don't support them anymore. That's right. I'm not recommending you, even though I've talked about it so much. But Brass, I like it because it's an alternative to that, and it's basically the exact same widgets. I find them so aesthetic, so clean, so fun. Go check it out. In this rendition of my like customization in that video, I didn't actually use Brass widgets, which I completely forgot to use, but I still highly recommend it. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you guys. I hope it helped you find 5 apps, or I guess technically 4, because the shortcuts app's already like built in. 4 apps that really help you customize to a new level. Like Yidget does so much. The blank or clear widgets do so much for your home screen. And Widgy, that animated Pikachu, like how could you not want it? How could you not want that? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Comment down below which app you're going to use, and if there's any apps that you guys really recommend that I didn't even know, I'll check them out. Link them down below. Also, links to all the apps are down below as well. And yeah, leave a like if you really enjoyed it. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the least you can do. Come on, I'm sharing my secrets here. And yeah, bye. See you later.
Don't